Okay guys, now that we're logged into our Google account here, we're gonna now create a new YouTube channel. So you'll probably be prompted to create a new YouTube channel by default once you make a Google account. Let's say you already have a YouTube channel and you want to make another YouTube channel on the same Google account. Now again, I recommend creating another Google account before you make another YouTube channel. Make a new Google account for each new YouTube channel you make, because then it's just not putting all your eggs in one basket. But to create a new YouTube channel manually, all you have to do is first off, click on your profile picture on the top right hand side of YouTube, and then click Settings. And then once you're in Settings, you'll see a button right down here that says See All My Channels or Create a New Channel, and you'll want to click that. And then this will display all your current YouTube channels, and if you want to create a new channel, you just click this button right on the top. And then this will create a new brand account and therefore a new YouTube channel. So then you can come up with a name for your channel. And there we go. I just created a new YouTube channel. As you can see, it is up and ready. In the next lesson, we're going to go over how to customize and optimize your YouTube channel.